Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PC RAM. First, always begin by checking the physical connection of your RAM sticks. Make sure each module is firmly seated in its slot. Next, confirm your power supply unit provides enough power, typically at least 500 watts for a modern gaming PC. Finally, ensure your RAM is compatible with your motherboard and processor to avoid system instability. Once initial checks are complete, it is time to diagnose the problem. Use the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool to perform a basic scan for errors. For a more in-depth analysis, consider running MEM-Test86, which can take several hours. If you have multiple RAM sticks, test each one individually in the same slot to pinpoint any faulty modules. For persistent issues, consider advanced solutions. Updating your motherboard's BIOS to the latest version can often resolve compatibility problems. Sometimes, slightly adjusting RAM voltage settings in the BIOS by increments of 0.05 volts can stabilize performance. Also, use compressed air to thoroughly clean your RAM slots, removing any accumulated dust or debris that might interfere with connections. If diagnostics confirm a faulty module, replacement is the next step. Purchase new RAM that precisely matches your system's specifications, including type, speed, and capacity. Carefully install the new RAM modules, ensuring they click firmly into place. After installation, boot into your system's BIOS to confirm the new RAM is recognized and operating at its correct speed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.